Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee, welcome back to the channel. Chances are you're new here today because you found this video from searching. This is going to be a quick maintenance tutorial on how to replace the spark plug on this 2018 Zuma 50, and this is actually the YW50FJ. And the reason I'm doing this video is because as a YouTuber, I spent probably 30 minutes trying to find the location of this spark plug on YouTube. I checked Chat GPT and everything, and a lot of the descriptions I was getting said, "Hey, it's under here in this panel." A lot of them said that, "Hey, it's underneath the battery here," and I guess it is on some older models, but on this particular one, it's very simple to find. And what I neglected to do was get my manual out. Instead, I was searching YouTube like probably a lot of you guys do. And once I got the manual out, it was clear as day how easy this is. So I thought I'd make a quick video to show you guys that are searching YouTube for the location, because it seems like Yamaha has moved this around quite a bit over the years. So to cut right to the chase, the location of the spark plug on this thing is in this access panel. So they actually couldn't have made it any easier for us to get to this. So just a small screwdriver, pop it in there, and bam. And I'll shine the light in there so you guys can see. And right there, the shiny black thing there, that's the spark plug boot right there. Another thing I've found with this bike is there's a lot of different spark plug recommendations floating around there. So the manual on this one calls for the NGK CR7E, which is what I have here. So the other tools you're going to need for this is a 16mm socket with an extension, because it's quite a ways in there. We got some dielectric grease, so we can put that on the ceramic white portion here of the spark plug, so that'll make the boot come off easy next time. There's our spark plug, and as usual with all my videos, I'll go ahead and post a link to these parts in the description in case you need them. You can pick them up easy from Amazon, which is where I get everything. Okay, so I'll get in here and pull this boot off. You're not really going to be able to see much here. All right, that's off. And then we'll go in here with this socket. All right. Just going to see if I can turn that out. Just keep spinning her off here. Maybe we can capture it inside the socket. No, but it should be all the way out. Once it's out a little farther, you can grab it a little easier. So there we have it. So this guy looks like it's seen some age. So my bike has 6,200 miles on it, and I bought it with 5,500 miles on it. So I've pretty much done all the maintenance on it. I've just gone through everything, but I have not ever changed the plug. So I have no idea how long this plug's been in there. So thought it might be wise to put a new one in. Okay, let's check the gap on the old one. I have a 31 thousandths here, which is the high end of that, and it's probably a little greater than that. It's probably 32, 33. So since we were over it before and it ran really well, I'm just going to make sure this one's gapped at the max of 31. And that's what I got here, and that's nice and tight right there. So we're gonna We're going to go with 31. Let's put a little dielectric grease on here. All right, let's put it back in and we'll see if she fires right up. So I'm just going to place it in the socket, go in there and lightly hand tighten it. Make sure we're threaded correctly. Feels good. Okay. I'm just going to give it a little bit. All right. Put that boot back on there. All right, feels like we're on. Let's see if she fires up. All right, just like we expected. Throw this in. So thank you, Yamaha, for this access window. That's pretty nice. All right, guys. Yeah, so here's the Zuma. It's been a great little scooter. It's a fun way to get around the neighborhood. And again, I got 6,200 miles on it. So that's a good little machine. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope that was helpful to you. Quick video on spark plug change on the 2018 Yamaha Zuma 50. Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your right. I have other content linked for you on the left side. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.